Hey guys, welcome back to Time Machine Scale Models. Well, today's the day we start the Fat Fenders Fins and Chrome group build. So I've never built the 41 Willys street rod before. So what I want to do is I want to get into it, I want to cut the bags open and go through all the sprue trees and see all the parts and pieces that I have. Maybe that'll give me a better idea of the direction that I want to take this, because I still don't know what I want to do. So, in a couple seconds, I'm going to flip you guys around and we're going to take a look at all the parts trees. Stick around. Alright, let's open this up and see what we got inside. Alright, I did cut the bag open earlier, but I haven't taken anything out yet. Body out. Glass. Put that over there. We'll leave that bagged. Body don't look too bad. I see a couple seams that I'm gonna have to get out of it, but not too bad. They're not heavy. See up here. Some back here. It looks pretty good. Difficult this is to get this hood up. I know it's got these little tabs on it. Some injection pin marks. We'll have to sand those out. Not too bad though. What's growing inside? I don't know what that was. A bug or something. Cocoon. Chrome tree, get the valve covers, got the blower parts, grill, brake rotors. I'll leave this bag too. I'm sure I'll probably be dechroming some of this. Second chrome tree, again, gonna have some stuff to be dechromed on here. I really dig the wheels on this. They're Halibrands. I really like them. I guess they're two pieces, two parts. So yeah, looks pretty good. Exhaust, the frame, front suspension, rear. Not bad. Very thin. The frame is very thin. I'm gonna have to be careful with that when I'm messing with it. Looks like it could be easily busted. Don't want to deal with that. Let's put this right in here. So, tail lights. Put those in there. Engine parts. Look too bad. I'm not seeing a whole lot of flash either, so that's a good thing. I'm sure there's a little bit of stuff I got to clean up, seams and stuff like that, but it doesn't seem to be heavy. Interior. Now what's funny is this steering wheel, right? You would think that this would be chrome already, and it's not. The parts that you don't want chrome are chrome. The parts that you want chrome are not chrome. Not bad. Doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look like a difficult kit either. Check out these tires. Mickey Thompson Sportsmans. They're treaded. It's cool. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, it looks like a fun little kit. Let's put everything back. Put everything right back in the bag until I'm ready to start building this thing. I think what I'll do is, I think I'm just going to build this right out of the box. I mean, I might put plug wires and stuff on it, but pretty much I think I'm just going to do it right out of the box. I'm not going to make any changes. I'm just going to use whatever's given me and build it up. The only issue that I'm going to have is deciding on paint. Do I want to go two-tone? Do I want to do a single monotone color? How do I want to go about this? But you know what? So far it looks like a pretty decent kit. I've seen a lot of you guys build these kits, and I've seen a lot of great renditions of this kit. So I just hope I could do it justice. It looks like a really neat kit. Really love this body style. Love the coupe body style. Like the 40 Fords and 39 40 Fords and Chevys and stuff. And yeah, this is going to be pretty cool with that blown 392. Like I said, there's really not a whole lot of cleanup on the body. I see a couple seams, a couple mold lines that I have to fix, but nothing heavy, nothing really heavy. So let me think on this, look up some resources online, see if I can't figure out what direction I want to take this as far as the color is concerned. I really don't like the way this hood attaches. I might have to cut those tabs off there. That could be a pain in the butt. Alright guys, I think that's all I got. If you guys have an opinion on what color you'd like this to see, I mean, after all, you guys chose this kit for me to build, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what color you might want the 41 Willys to be painted. Alright guys, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.